How to see backup photos in Google Photos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on top right. Scroll down to Photos Settings. Then click on Backup. Make sure your backup is turned on. But there is no option to see which photos backed up. So what you can do is go to any website and then search photos.google.com. In here, make sure you log in from the account that you want to see backup photos of, and you'll find all the photos in here which are backed up. And this is how to see backup photos in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.